down, head up. Good. And then you do arm up, pump, and push as far as you can. Head up, doesn't matter your shoulder up. We go to the side. Push it more, okay? Give more power push. Stay there. And then up. Good. We do other side, push more. Yes, feel your backbone straight long. Stay. Give the moment. Push, continue push. And then up. And down. Good. Right now we go front. You don't need to force it. Okay, just stay there for a moment. No force it. Just let it natural. Head down. Totally let it go. Totally let it go. And up. Okay? And then you go circle around. And back. And up. Stay. Other side. Go diagonal. Front. Arc diagonal. And go arch back to the back, head down. Continue circle around to the side, diagonal, and straight up. Very good. Right now, arm up. This time, go down as much as you can. Stay there. Hold. Don't move. Okay, feel your hip. Let it relax. Let it go. Don't hold tight. Stay there. And up. Very good. Okay, so let's do our foot together. Okay? Okay, we relax first. Okay, relax. And then right now, push down. Let it go. Give a little push, okay? Give a little push. But you don't need too harsh, yeah. Stay there, let it go. Feel relaxed. Feel it. Okay, one more time. Okay? Okay, good. Okay, this time a little bit more push down. Okay? Give a little harder push down. Stay. Don't move. Push more. And up. Okay, right now we go hold your toes and go more forwards. Stay hold. Okay, we do 8 counts a stay. Okay, feel your hip, let it go. And up. Okay, right now we do one leg open. Okay, so this time we will reach you as far as you can, all the way on the floor. Okay, reach as far as you can. Okay, stay there. Give it a moment. Hold there. And up. Okay, right now you push your knee, okay? 手按着你的膝盖，然后往相反的方向。OK， 这个手再支撑在后边啊。OK， stretch your back. Stay there. Give it a moment. Stretch. Push hard on your knee. Get away from your knee upper body. Yes. OK， let's do other side. Other side same. OK, so we go reach far, far, far. OK, 8 counts. Stay. Hold it there. Feel your hip, okay, let it go. Okay, up. Okay, let's push, okay? Push far away and then really feel your back. Lower back especially, stretch it. Okay, feel your hip, relax. Let your leg go away from your hip as much as you can. Find that space. Relax. Stay there. Very good. Okay, everybody, right now lay down on the floor. Okay. So right now we do both legs together. Okay. You can hold your mat, be stable. You go to the side, and then hold, and up, and to other side. Stay. Okay. Keep your body shoulder on the floor, and then up. And then just one leg, hold close to you. Okay, hold as tight as possible. Give it a moment. And release. We do other side, okay? Hold your leg, hold tight. Stay for a moment. And release. Good. And then open your leg. Okay, just relax. Stay. Hold for a moment. And then close. Leg up. Right now, open your leg. Stay there. Using your both hand, hold your leg. Okay, keep it in place. And then you stay there, let gravity help you stretch your second position split. Stay there. Let it go, okay? You do one 8 more counts. Stay. Okay, good. Okay, and then you hold your both leg. You can cross your foot and hold it tight. Stay for a moment, let your back relax. Okay, so right now we do second position stretch, okay? So same thing, okay? So stand up, I want to see nicely. Okay, second position. If you cannot do, you just do things like that. Okay? Bend your knee like that. Okay? So we will do 32 counts. Everybody go down. All the way down. Yes. Oh. Hold stay. I count for you. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Let it go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last 8. 1, 2, 3, 4.